In today's video, I'm going to show you a full-size digital piano that costs less than most people spend on dinner for two. It could be the best musical deal of the century or just a wooden box of disappointment. Let's find out which. This 88-key weighted digital piano claims to offer everything a beginner could dream of: fully weighted hammer action keys, triple pedals, MIDI support, and that elegant upright design that says, "I'm serious about music." On paper, it sounds like the perfect choice for someone who wants a real piano experience without breaking their apartment lease. Surprisingly, user reviews suggest the key feel is quite authentic for its price. The hammer action mechanism offers real resistance that helps build finger strength, unlike the flimsy keyboards that feel like typing on soft plastic. Many users even report that the sound quality surpasses expectations, with some saying it rivals pianos 3 times the cost. Aesthetically, it looks impressive. The wooden cabinet gives off a classic, sturdy appearance, and users say it doesn't scream budget instrument. However, one small catch: the bench isn't included, which feels a bit like buying a car without the wheels. Now, here's where things get a little uncertain. The brand, why, isn't exactly Yamaha or Kawai. It's a relatively new player in the market, offering big features at surprisingly low prices. When established brands charge thousands for similar specs, it's fair to wonder what corners might have been cut. User experiences are mixed. Beginners love it and can't believe the value, but experienced pianists notice small issues with key response and sound sampling over time. The MIDI feature works, but software integration could be smoother. Here's the bottom line: if you're a beginner or casual player, this is an excellent budget-friendly piano. It offers authentic feel, decent tone, and a great way to start learning without spending a fortune. But if you're a serious musician, you'll probably outgrow it once your skills progress. If you're testing the waters to see whether you'll stick with piano lessons before investing in a high-end instrument, this is a smart and affordable option. Just be prepared for a few compromises. Thank you for watching this video.